Hello all, welcome back to our channel. This is Sujita from VRC Silk Sarees. In this video, we are going to see a most requested design, which is an Ikkat pattern in pure handloom Kanchipuram soft silk sarees. We have new designs and new colors. So before that, please do subscribe our channel and click on the bell icon so that you'll get regular notifications whenever we are uploading fresh collections. Also, please do share this video with your friends and family if you like our collections and support us. Now let's get started. This is the first saree, a very beautiful beige with navy blue combination. With both sides you'll get a small tissue border, a rich pallu in jari work, and all over the saree a beautiful Ikkat pattern runs. Full saree you'll have an Ikkat pattern and a plain blouse in contrast. And next is in green with navy blue combination. A rich jari work pallu in navy blue and a plain contrast blouse, and all over the saree a beautiful floral motifs Ikkat pattern. All these are double warp sarees, comes with a SILKMARK certified. Next is an onion pink with navy blue combination. All are very beautiful color combinations. So please do WhatsApp us for booking. Our WhatsApp number is displayed in the screen. You can simply take screenshot and share with us for booking. All these are fast selling collections, so please do book your saree soon. Next is an yellow with navy blue combination. A very trending color combinations and a trending design now, so please don't miss these collections. So you can book it from anywhere. We are shipping all over India and we do have international shipping as well. So do take screenshot and text us in the WhatsApp for booking. All these sarees price ranges from 6,200 to 6,800. To know the exact price, you can WhatsApp us for booking. Also, we do have video call facility as well, so you can contact us and check the color if you have any doubt. Our shop is located in Sirumugai, Coimbatore district, Tamil Nadu. You can visit us directly as well. We have more collections in pure handloom soft silk sarees. Please do call us and get an appointment and visit us. And next is an yellow with teal combination. Do check our YouTube channel for different designs and different colors. All these are premium quality silk, double warp quality, so please don't miss this. Next is an blue with cross pink combination. All the Ikkat patterns are very unique and a very trending color combinations and designs. Next is a green with cross pink combination, a beautiful Ikkat pattern in the body and a jari rich pallu in cross pink. Hope you like these collections. Please do WhatsApp us for booking. Also share this video with your friends and family if you like our collections. Also don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching. Thank you.